Hi children, welcome to maths class. So today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is subtraction. Okay, what is there in subtraction? So chapter number 4, that is subtraction. So this is book selling. So what is meant by book selling? See here, Rangana and Rajanna were old friends. See both. This is Rangana shop and this is Rajanna shop. Both were old friends. Okay, both of them own a big shop. See, both of them own a bookshop on either side of the road. So this is the road. So this is one side and this is another side. Now there are 468 books in Rangana's shop. See, there are 468 books in Rangana's shop. There are 365 books in Rajanna's shop. Okay, in Rangana's shop there are more books. See, because 468 is more than 365. In Rajanna's shop it is less. Now learn how many books are there in Rangana's shop than in Rajanna's shop. So they are comparing Rangana's shop and Rajanna's shop. See how much it is less. See Rajanna, how many books it is less than Rangana's house. Okay. Then verify your guess whether it is correct or no. Okay, so books in Rangana's shop is 468 and books in Rajanna's shop is 365. So number of books in Rangana's shop, so total number of books in more number of books in Rangana's shop is how much? How we will calculate? So step 1, first subtract the number in units place. So we have to subtract first by unit place. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Then second step, subtract the number in tens place, write the remaining number. Okay, 6 minus 6 is 0. Third step, what is the third step? Subtract number in hundreds place, write the remaining number in the hundreds place. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then write the number in form of a numbers. Write them in form of a numbers. So what is this? 3 is in units place, 0 is in tens place and 1 is in hundreds place. Therefore, there are 103 books. See, therefore, there are 103 books in Rangana's shop than in Rajanna's shop. Okay, see there. Therefore, there are 103 more books in Rangana's shop than in Rajanna's shop. So, next one. See, they asked you to try yourself. See, Anjaneya bookstall. What is there here? Sushmita purchased a book for rupees 150. She gave rupees 200 to the shopkeeper. See, she has purchased a book of rupees 150, but she gave 200 rupees. Then she gave 50 rupees more here. We'll see. Amount paid by Sushmita is 200. She paid 200 rupees to the shopkeeper, and the cost of book purchase is 150. So amount returned by the shopkeeper, how much he has to give? This is 0. See, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 we can't subtract, so we have to take a borrow here. So if we take a borrow, it becomes 2 and this becomes 1. So 10 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So therefore amount returned by the shopkeeper to Sushmita is rupees 50. Next, see, help the monkey. They are asking to help the monkey. Why? Once in a forest, a fox started to sell banana. See, in a forest, fox started to sell a banana. Monkeys and elephants in the forest were very happy. In order to purchase fruits, monkeys has saved rupees 247. See, monkey wants to purchase a banana, so he has saved his amount 247. He came to shop of the fox with that money. He purchased a bunch of banana for rupees 158. See, he has purchased of rupees 158. As the fox is brilliant in calculation, the monkey gave all money to the fox and told to take rupees 158 out of 274. See, it has saved 247, but out of 274 it gave out of 274 and given the balance amount. Fox gave rupees 76 to monkey as a balance amount. Is the amount written by the fox is correct, children? No, it is wrong. because see, we'll subtract. How? Here is a subtraction. See, amount paid by a monkey is 274 and the cost of banana is 158. So total remaining amount is, see, 4 minus 8 we can't subtract. So we have to take a borrow. Then it will become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Then this becomes 6. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1. See, 116 rupees has to be given by the fox. But what fox gave? See, fox gave only 76. See, fox has cheated here. So fox has cheated the monkey here. It has to give 116 rupees, but it has given 76 rupees. Okay, so whenever you go to buy anything, children, to the shop, you should count yourself, then only you should ask for the shopkeeper. See, after when shopkeeper gives the amount, then again you have to calculate. Okay, children? Okay, here, think yourself again. The fox has cheated the monkey, has not it? Yes. Then what is the exact amount to be given by the monkey? Return to monkey. How much more should the fox has to return? See, fox has to return 116 rupees, but it gave 76 rupees. So still amount to be returned by the fox is 40 rupees. Okay, how to subtract? First step is unit place, then goes to tens place, then goes to 100 place. Okay. So total amount, see, the remaining amount to be paid by the fox is 40 rupees. So now is the exercise. Exercise 4.2. Rakshita has rupees 265. Ashok has rupees 134. See, 265 Rakshita and 134 rupees Ashok. Who has more money and by how much? See, Rakshita is having 265 and Ashok is having 134. So what is the first step? First we have to subtract from the unit place. 5 minus 4 is 1 and goes to tens place. 6 minus 3 is 3. Very easy. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. So who has more money here? Rakshita has the more money. How much is the difference? See, what is the difference amount here? After subtracting, what is the difference here? So this is called as difference. 131 rupees is the difference amount. Second question. Vikas is reading a novel containing 325 pages. See, he has already finished reading 224 pages. Wow. See, children, reading a book is a very good habit. And he is reading a novel here. So everyone should read a story every day, per day, one story at least. How many more pages still he has to read? How many more pages still Vikas has to read? How we'll calculate? First we'll write total number of pages. So it is 325 pages. Okay. He has read how many pages he finished here? 224 pages he finished reading. So how many still more is left? Number of pages Vikas has to read is, so always same procedure. 5 minus 4 units place 1. 2 minus 2 is 0, tens place, goes to hundreds place 3 minus 2 is 1. So still 101 pages is left, children. Okay, are you understanding? Okay, third one. Ramya and Soumya are holding the marks. See, they have obtained in 7th standard annual examination. See, they are holding the marks there. Who has scored less marks here? Oh, who has scored less marks here? What is the difference? So first we have to write more marks. See here, 491 Soumya has scored and Ramya has scored 386. So total is 11 minus 6 is 5, 8 minus 8 is 0. Then here it is how much? 4 minus 3 is 1. So 105. Less marks scored is Ramya. How many scored? How much less it is? 105 marks. See, okay. Fourth question. Harish and Ramesh are milkman selling milk. The quantity of milk sold by them is written on the milk can. See, 264 is sold by Ramesh and 315 liters is sold by Harish. So Harish has sold the more amount of milk here. Who is selling more milk? How much more milk is sold. Same way, more amount, more liter is 315 liters. So again we have to write less here. So subtraction, 5 minus 4 is 1 units place, then goes to tens place, then comes with a hundreds place. So amount of more milk sold is 51 liters. So fifth one, what is there in fifth one? Both Rajesh and Shilpa are traveling by bus. Tickets bought by them are shown below. See, it is 764 and it is 827. Shilpa ticket number is 764 and Rajesh ticket number is 827. What is the difference between both the two tickets? So it is 63. Therefore, the difference between the ticket numbers of Rajesh and Shilpa is 63. Same, the bigger number, smaller number, then the difference. Okay, children, are you understanding this word problems? So this will start with from the next class. Okay, take care. Bye bye.